Hello everyone! Studying is a part of life, but because of the gadgets, television, social media, and due to the number of distractions, many students have lost their interest in studies. See, losing interest is very easy, but to get that determination and focus back is a very tough task. If you are also going through this phase, then you will have to change it if you wish to make your parents and loved ones happy. Because trust me, no one will like you until and unless you become successful in life. So, if you want to avoid these worst scenarios, then watch this video till the end because in this video, we are going to give you tips that will change your life. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Make your studies fun. Most of the students lose interest in studying because they think of studying as boring and daunting task. But it's not like that until and unless you make it boring. Means while studying, don't just stick to old traditional studying methods. Start watching videos on YouTube, join a study group, or while reading a chapter, imagine yourself as one of its characters and also involve your friends as other characters. Trust me, this will definitely work for you and will bring you back on track. Tip number 2. Understand the importance of studying. Understand the importance of studying because most of the students just study for the sake of their parents. See, if you wish to live a luxurious life and want to roam in a luxurious car, then you will have to study at any cost. Tip number 3. Reward yourself. Whenever you sit to study, think of a reward that you will give yourself after completing the task. It can be a cookie, a short nap, or whatever floats your boat. This method is scientifically proven because, according to researchers, when the brain knows there is a fun treat waiting on the other side of the session, it starts working more productively. So these were the 3 tips that will help you to grow interest in studies. Also, suggest any study-related topic in the comment box. Thank you.